Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to use the Poolz Finance Launchpad platform and how to register on the platform. Let's get started. Poolz is one of the platforms that has conducted the most IDOs in the last year, according to the CryptoRank site. It's also generally profitable for investors as a launchpad. Poolz Finance is based on DeFi infrastructure and has a decentralized Web3 layer. Let's take a look at the tier levels. To participate in IDOs, we need the Poolx token. If you stake by purchasing one token, you'll have one lottery ticket. If this ticket wins, you'll earn the right to participate in the released IDO. If you purchase and stake 250 tokens, you'll have a guaranteed purchase right. To have more advantages and participate in exclusive sales, you'll need to acquire more Poolx tokens. One Poolx token is currently around $5.30, so you'd need to acquire approximately $1,350 worth of Poolx tokens for the guaranteed purchase right. Let me show you the Leaderboard section on the Poolz site. This lists the users with the most Poolx tokens. These users have a significant advantage in purchasing IDO. Even the bottom-ranked users have a significant amount of Poolx tokens. It is not easy to get into these rankings. My turn is 918. Alright, now I'll demonstrate how to register. Here is a template showing how to join Poolz Finance. The first step explains that we need to purchase Poolx tokens. If you click the Buy Poolx button, it directs you to PancakeSwap. You should connect your MetaMask wallet to PancakeSwap. Then, using BNB or another asset, you can purchase Poolx tokens. Before conducting this transaction, ensure that the Poolx contract address is correct. I verified this on the CoinMarketCap site and made the purchase. Now I'll buy one more Poolx token to demonstrate. Yes, the transaction proceeds like this. Let's move on to the second step. In this step, you'll need to lock the Poolx tokens you've acquired. Enter the stake section by clicking the Lock Poolx button. Then enter the amount you want to lock and check the box. You will see the Approve button here. After pressing Approve, you will receive a notification from your MetaMask wallet. Then go ahead and confirm the transaction. Once you've done this, you'll need to make a second confirmation for the staking process. Use the Lock button and add. Confirm the MetaMask notification and complete the locking process. That's it for the staking process. Now you need to go through the KYC process. To do this, click Get Started. When you click, the site will direct you to the Blockpass application. Here I enter my wallet address. I want to see my own Blockpass information. Yes, my information is here. You must add your information correctly and avoid providing incorrect information. Even your home address may require an invoice or proof of residence. Make sure your information is correct. Also, don't forget to enter your wallet address at the bottom. If your profile gets approved, be cautious when making changes because modifying your profile will reset the approval. Once your identity is verified, you can check out IDOs and register for the suitable one for you. There are special sales for different council members here. I can currently participate in normal IDOs. To register, go to the announcement and click on the Join Whitelist button. I joined the Octavia presale and will make a purchase when the IDO time arrives. If I incur losses from this token, I have the right to return it within 5 days. You'll be able to see the tokens you've acquired in the Claim section. In the upcoming first IDO, I'll also show you the moment of purchasing the IDO token. That's it for now. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.